Hey, what's up, money team? Welcome back. We're going to be doing a few recaps of yesterday's insane moves. We caught the upside and downside, as also the trade that we took today. So let's get right into it. Yesterday and on the weekly watch list, I did tell you guys if we lost 551.12 that I would look for a bounce at this support here and let price action dictate that 551 becomes a resistance. As you can see, coming into the session, that happened. So I alerted and had my watch list that either we break above for 551 for calls or we break below for puts. As you can see, we got that aggressive move down. I waited for it to retrace a bit, close back below, and that's where I entered and alerted to everybody I was taking puts. We got this nice move down where I scaled out pretty much all out at this area right near the demand. As soon as we got that demand wick up here, I did tell everybody that I was interested in reclaims for calls. So as soon as we got up towards this 549.34, I didn't take this initial move right here. I waited to see if we would get that break above the daily supply. I waited to see the 5-minute candle close after, and you can see how that kind of just closed right below. I did still want to see this upside move because we did hit all the support level and reclaim. So it was just a matter of staying patient and waiting for it. As soon as I've seen this large impulse candle above that daily, I did know that that was a signal for me to get into calls. I did give myself room all the way down to this support to hold this 549. And I did see that most of the positioning was bullish and that it was going to be choppy. So I stayed in my calls pretty much the whole day. Got over 500% on my calls. I did enter again calls towards the end of the day. And then that's where I got that next push up. And we netted over 400 on that trade as well. It was an insane move. SPY did pretty much $13 from low to day to high day. I caught $10 of it, so very happy. Great way to start the week. We caught the downside move that we talked about on the weekly watch list, and we also said about 551 holding that was going to get us towards this 558, where it led us to this trade today. I did tell you guys in the weekly watch list above 558, I'd be more aggressive for calls. So coming into the morning session, I tried my calls right away with this green large candle breaking above this 558. I didn't like how the next candle wasn't breaking the previous 5 minutes, so I did put in a hard stop that if it did come back below 558, I would wait, exit, and wait for it to reclaim. It was a good move, seeing that move come all the way down. It bounced perfectly, exactly to the T, to the penny of our support at this 553.7. And that's where I said if we reclaim this 5559, I did like it. It was risky. Similar setup to here, as you can see, come near the support, break back above, gives you a good decent move. So as soon as we seen that, I did like it because these are all previous demand areas. So reclaiming these are definitely a lot easier to enter some positions. So I waited for that setup 558. Again, we spoke about this on the weekly watch list that I would be much more aggressive for the upside move if we did get this break above this 558. So you can see how that candle closed right here. I alerted to everybody I was taking calls here, and we got this insane push all the way up to 562.5. It was a great day, great session. I was mostly all out up here, and I had one left, just held it as a runner. If you found any of this information helpful, insightful, just leave a comment below. Let me know what you're looking forward to for the rest of the week. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Appreciate you guys. Remember, trade smart, trade safe. Peace.